Learn how to make a delicious berry buttercream with just a few ingredients. Here is the recipe if you want to follow along. In a large bowl, we have 1/2 cup of softened butter that's unsalted, 113 grams. To that, we're going to add in a pinch of salt, 0.25 grams. If the butter is salted, omit the salt. Mix it until it's nice and smooth like this, and then you're going to add in 2 tablespoons of berry preserves. That's 57 grams. You can use jelly if you like, but if you use the preserves, you'll get actually fruit in it instead of just a fruit juice. I'm using strawberry today, but you can use any berry that you like. Mix this until it's well combined, and then you're going to start beating in the sugar a little bit at a time. 1¼ cups of powdered sugar, or 156 grams. If you add the sugar in too fast, you'll have a gritty buttercream, so add it in gradually. At times you may need to stop and scrape down your bowl. That just ensures all that powdered sugar is well combined with the berries and the butter. Mix it a little more on low until you get this consistency. If you want it thinner, you can thin it out with a little bit of milk, but I find this is really good for making cakes and cupcakes. It should pipe out really smoothly and nicely like this. Unfortunately, I'm not the best at piping, but I'll try my best, just so you can see what it looks like. And if you did it right, it should pipe out really easy and smoothly, and it should end up looking like this in the end. This icing should hold its shape really well, and you should be able to pipe all kinds of neat things on your cupcakes. I found this recipe works well for a dozen cupcakes, but if you wanted it for a 9-inch cake, you would just want to double the recipe. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching, and as always, happy baking.